raindrops falling down my window. City lights are shining low. Every step I take, I feel you in the places we used to go. Your voice still echoes in my mind, like thunder rolling through the night. I close my eyes, I feel you near, even though you're out of sight. Your heartbeat in the rain, I hear it call my name. Every drop reminds me we'll never be the same. Love was lightning, wild and fast, but some storms aren't meant to last. Still I dance to your heartbeat in the rain. Memories drip down like water, can't wash away what we became. I see your face in every mirror, and it whispers through the pain. Maybe someday we'll find our way through silver skies and brighter days, but till that time I'll stand again, listening to your heartbeat in the rain. Your heartbeat in the rain, I feel it once again, echoes in my soul.